Hey there! Thank you for choosing Slocum Home Team to list your home. My name is Nathan Walker, the photographer and social media specialist at Slocum. My job is to capture high-quality images and media that will highlight your home's unique qualities and features in order to give it the best possible presentation on the market. We're really excited to be working with you and confident in our ability to make your home shine. Here at Slocum, we believe every home is someone's castle. Now, before I go into some useful tips that you can use to prepare your home to be photographed, allow me to quickly go over my process. I will personally be coming to your home to photograph every room and finished space. I don't typically take pictures in closets or garages, so feel free to hide anything you don't want to be seen in those places. Next up, I'll be using a 360-degree camera to scan the interior of your home in order to create a virtual walkthrough for the use of potential buyers. This will require each room to be free of people or items that you don't want to be seen. For me personally, I like to picture my in-laws coming over. It instills a unique sense of fear that I find useful in preparing my home. I'll also be taking measurements that will be used to generate a 2D floor plan. Finally, I'll pop outside to get some photos of the yard and your home's exterior. Now, here are those useful tips that I promised. Take some extra time to remove clutter from kitchen counters and wipe them down while you're at it. Make them shine like Fonzie's hair. Also, it's a good idea while you're in the kitchen to clear off the top of your fridge and remove any magnets. Now might be the time to get rid of that crayon drawing that you pretended to like. Next up, make sure your bathrooms are clean and free of clutter, including toiletries and cosmetics. It's also not a bad idea to display fresh towels and toilet paper rolls. Ah, now that's nice. In the bedrooms, be sure to make the beds and clear bedside tables. It's also beneficial to hide hampers, clothes, shoes, and straighten out any walk-in closets. In the living spaces, clear tables of any non-decorative objects and tidy up the couches. Who knows, you might even find that thing you've been missing. The day before the shoot, be sure to sweep and mop the floors throughout the house. Right before our appointment, please turn on all overhead lights in rooms or lamps if there are none. Turn off ceiling fans and open all curtains and blinds all the way to let in as much light as possible and to show the outside. This helps make rooms feel brighter, larger, and more inviting. Moving outside, in order to give your home the most curb appeal, it's advised that the lawn is mowed and clear of any leaves and debris. Also, we ask that you hide any waste bins and also clear the driveway of any boats, RVs, planes, trains, and automobiles. In fact, feel free to take this opportunity to take the kids and the dog for a nice picnic or try out a new restaurant. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to meeting you.